Hi, welcome to Ewell's Solutions. Today, I will guide you on how you can manage, create, or even edit the product listing on your website. First of all, log into the admin panel using the provided credentials. Once you've logged in, click on the Products menu on the left. Here, you will see list of products that has been added. So, to add a new product, click on the Add New Product button. On the product creation page, add the product title. You may type in or copy from any document. Next, we have to fill in the product's description. Depends on the document source. Sometimes you have to check the formatting. So that the pasted contents display correctly on the website. You can also modify the text in the editor section. Then, we need to select the brand category which the product belongs to. If you want to include a new subcategory to the product, click on the Add New Category link and fill in the subcategory name. For example, Data Logger. So this subcategory resides under the Elgas main brand. Therefore, we have to select Elgas as the parent category. Just make sure the primary category is set to the main brands. Tick both of the categories so that the search engine and website visitor can easily navigate and find the product. This is also good for Google search keywords to get better ranks. So now we have the product title filled in, the content ready, and now we have to add in the product photo. Go to the Featured Image section and click Set Featured Image button. Here we can upload the product image from your computer. You can simply drag and drop the image or browse your computer for the right image. Now we have uploaded the product image. Please make sure the image size is not too small. A 500 pixel image would be just great. And the accepted image format are PNG, JPEG, GIF, and WebP. If during upload there's an errors, it means that the image is not supported or not the right format. So once uploaded, click the Set Featured Image button. And that's it. We have filled up all the required information. The product title, product content, product brands category, and the product image. Now we can click the Publish button to save the product. Okay, once the product has been published, it will be automatically displayed on the website. You can view the product page by clicking on the View link. And here is the product page. We have the category links here that goes to the main brand page for quick navigation. So when we click on the individual product image, it will go to the full product information page again. Okay, now we go back to the admin panel. So we have successfully created a new product. Now I will guide you on how can we edit the existing product. Click on the All Product menu and then click on any product that you want to edit or update. So here you can edit the product description, change the brand's category, or even change the product image. And also, if you want to include any catalog download for the product, you can upload the PDF file here. The uploaded PDF file will be attached to the product page download button so that the user can click the button to download the PDF file. So once done, don't forget to save the changes by clicking the Update button. This will automatically update the product information on the website. Now we have new product created and edit a product. You can repeat the same process for other new product as well. Please revisit this video guide shall you encounter any issues. Also, feel free to contact our support team for further assistance. Thank you.